we need to get some brine going for our Cornish Game Hens later. So I have a little bit of brown sugar and salt here. Cool it down now. All right, got my brining bag here. Got some peppercorns, some bay leaves, and some nice dried herbs. So get our birds in the bag here. Got salt and a little bit of brown sugar. Put that back in the cooler for several hours. All right, I'm done with the brine. It's been 5 hours. These are brining. Tarp is working out really nice, keeping us dry. With salt, don't need a lot of salt because we brine these birds, so just a little bit. Paprika here, get some nice color and some smoky flavor. You gotta get the paprika in the armpits, very important. Some garlic powder, of course. You can over salt, but I don't think you can over garlic. Definitely need to center this. Get these excess strings cut off. Get some lemon wedges inside. This is looking pretty good. I think it's time to go on the fire. Alright, so our pot hooks here are also double as our rotisserie holders. We got the one big hook and then the one small hook. The small hook is fit so that it holds this in position, so obviously it doesn't want to rotate, so you don't have to be perfectly balanced on your rotisserie, and you can still turn it and evenly cook. Do another 1/6 of a turn. Also, you notice me holding these down. I think we are going to do a handle that sticks out the back, so that way you can hold on to the handle and turn this. Also, you'll be able to hold on the handle, raise and lower. So, still working on that design, but they work. Or you can use your trusty Leatherman. Hold that while we turn it. Oh, that's looking nice. Gotta go with a little wing. Smoky. So juicy. Not too salty, but the brine really juicy. Just salty enough. Oh, absolutely perfect.